Can my wife leave and take the kids? I'm Tulsa attorney James Wirth. That's the question that we have. So presumably we're talking about a married couple here who is maybe looking at the potential for divorce. And the question from husband is, can my wife leave with the kids and take them away? So if you guys are married in the state of Oklahoma, essentially the law looks at you as having de facto joint custody. Neither one has custody rights that are superior to the others. There's nothing that prevents one parent from taking the kids somewhere. Nothing prevents the other parent from taking the kids somewhere. And there's not necessarily a mechanism in place to keep that from happening. So there's nothing to prevent your wife from taking the kids and leaving, except that at that point, you can then file with the court. Okay, so if you have concerns about it ahead of time, then you can file a divorce. When you file a divorce and serve it on the other side, there's an automatic temporary injunction that goes into place, which essentially says everything needs to be done pursuant to the normal course of business, and you can't be taking the kids away for any extended period of time beyond what a typical vacation would be. But if you haven't filed for that divorce, then there's nothing preventing your wife from taking the kids away, in which case, if that happens, you want to file quickly in the jurisdiction that you are in while that court still has jurisdiction. Sometimes we see the other party, grab the kids, take them out of state, and they wait too long. Oklahoma loses jurisdiction, the other state gets jurisdiction, and then it's a problem. So if you don't file for divorce, get the ATI, automatic temporary injunction, in place before it happens, you want to file quick after it happens. Keep the court case here, and you can request temporary orders, including that she either return with the kids or that you be granted sole custody of the kids for the kids to stay with you. So there's nothing preventing her from doing it up front if there's not a divorce decree on file, but there are things you can do afterwards. You need to act quick. That's what's important under these circumstances. So if you're dealing with this, though, then it's an important issue. You're not just going to want to watch a video. You're going to want to talk to a family law attorney in private, confidentially, to receive specific legal advice to your circumstances. To get that scheduled with an attorney at my office, go online to makelaweasy.com.